Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for seventh grade. This video is about vocabulary, and it is like a review all the units, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to until unit 8 or 7. It's okay, 7. So listen, you need to listen, and then have to repeat. And if you don't know the word, what you need to do is to look at the dictionary, because you need to have a lot vocabulary. Okay, so let me see, one moment. Let's do this. Okay, so if you are ready, uh don't forget to write the date. Okay, so today is September 18th, 2020, and this class is a vocabulary class. The topic is a vocabulary class. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so what you need to do is to do two activities. Activity number one is listen and repeat, like a practice in the pronunciation. And the second activity is copy all the words in the half of your notebook. I mean, on your notebook, you need to copy all the words here. So you need to copy. If you watch understand, you copy understand, making like a list. So then you can select which words you don't know, and you need to look at the dictionary, and which words do you already know. Okay, remember, two activities: listen and repeat. And the second activity, copy the list, copy a list of words in your notebook, and then separate the words that you don't understand and the words that you understand, and look at the dictionary, of course. So let me see. Let's go. So this is the idea. I mean, to to practice to practice a little bit about the pronunciation from vocabulary for the units 1 to 7. And let's go. Come on, let's go. Remember, listen and repeat. And the second activity is copy. So you need to copy this. All right. So repeat: address, identify, listen, identify, places, things, 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 learn, about, about, reasons, commitment, commitment, find out, find out, travel, travel, compare, compare, meanings, leave, leave, appearance, repeat, appearance, have, has, biggest, qualities, The second option is qualities, qualities, qualities or qualities. Common, common. Before, notice that you don't pronounce this. Before. Reading. No. Help, help. Understand. Work. Pairs. Language. Language. Middle. Look. Give. On. On. Same. Same. Choose. 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 Yourself. Classmates. Share. Share. A game. A game. A game. Speak. With. With. Schedule. Listen. Schedule. Schedule. Underline. Answer. There are two. Answer or answer. Answer or answer. Arrive. Arrive. White board. White board. Letter. Letter. Well, there are another option. Letter or letter. Letter. Right. Right. Later. 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 Garbage. Listen. Garbage. Be prepared. Prepared. Bring. Sign. Sign. Take. Politely. Politely. Carefully. Carefully. shot, around, around, without, without, need, need, why, rest room, rest room, forget, 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 between, 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 useful, 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 phone, quick, quickly, 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 find, find, draw, 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 guess, guess, partner, 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 make, how, how, usually, 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 heavy, repeat, heavy, heavy, full, all, assignment, assignment, here, there, 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 is, are, don't, doesn't, learners, learners, become, become, begin, begin, break, break, bring, 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 build, 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 this, no, build, build, buy, catch, catch, choose, come, go, cost, do,